na yakasa. And no said he didn't like me.
I don't know. Me who on internet, so when you talk, it irritates me. I'm like, sorry to use the word, but I'm being real with you. Because you tell me I'm like, who the fuck is this? Like, who is this? I never liked you, but and round home, you know. Now saying yeah, oh hard game, you know. Look at me, I'm talking to you. You're going to tell me
I'm shocked.
No, I mean, why is she shocked? Because meaning say there are a lot of people more that energy. What is go on one or better one of my videos? Maybe we are concluding say guy in penasem. I didn't maybe on penasem. Maybe I will say no Osika a year. No, I saw that comment on Facebook. Then I corrected one or two things. Obviously, you see allegedly, then I know that as for that one, I can't correct it because if I correct it, I'll find myself in trouble. You know, so all these things are feedbacks are a bois with your craft. So here now I was even expecting SAB to say, oh, I didn't know who now won't pay myself. Something of the sort, but to say you are shocked, I mean, it's part of life.
I know because you Joe. Because you Joe
he just said,
woman, I'm in bed and I'm it's a mistake, Madame for Girl of Virginia. No one in P. Was Salvi. Woman, I'm in bed and I have the best.
You don't like me.
I never see you. Me who would have, I didn't like you. Because of what show. I guess like that. You just don't judge people by however
I'm so sorry. If I knew that you didn't like me, I won't have given you a hug.
No. Jesus Christ. Did she really say that? I mean, I don't know because if you knew say he didn't like you wouldn't have given no. I mean, no. Then you would have how Nanaka was cementing a perception about you say, oh, Mamu will cry, saying I'm not here. What is it? But the hag, has changed whatever perception he had about you behind the screen. Any video into whatever first-hand perception of Benyado, and when they stay a one idea moves up, come say, or you be share face to face. But to say, and when him saying, I mean,
I knew it and you didn't like me. I won't have
you have to understand where I'm coming from. So
let's record it. So I just pick up the camera and then he's telling me say he never likes me.
Yeah.
Did I me baby and I'm saying I won't pay my son and
now this is the question I've been expecting all along. This is the best question.
Me no one kasada. Right? But me who want am person.
Oh, me and Dad and who me internet.
Me who internet. Can I be real with you?
Yeah.
Me person me go restaurant region and the restaurant region and the
Now I like people like Nana Tornado actually say real. What I say or kind of credit action. If that's how he treats everyone, then I like people like that real in terms of that. Say the anybody who no I catch your first hand. Whatever impression I know have you about you say, oh, na me pay was more. Now we be again me idea say. So I like people like that.
So can just won't pay my
son. Because I'm me who the man pay was but and me who no. Say na me here na pay was.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm telling you.
I'm so sorry you feel that way.
No.
Why are you so sorry he feels that way? I'm thinking that this is supposed to be natural.
No. It's reality.
No, it's sad.
No,
I'm
don't be
very
sad.
Sad?
Now, what do you mean? To me,
no, but I have never offended.
No, it's not about offending. It's
hello, you don't have to offend someone.
Our reality of life.
Exactly.
All of us don't penny banana.
Exactly.
I didn't.
And I'm a boy. What to me who be social media so you can now call it here. Acquire them penasemo. It happens. It's like that. What do I say? Minimally good here. Naana Donkor are surprised.
You know, I should have saved my hug.
No, come on.
Every day.
Again, saved your hug.
Me who I'm a DJ. What I don't like set into crown. 17. That's what I was.
So you see, it goes hand in hand. Naana Donkor see or no who Naana Donkor on social media. So he's like, who the hell is this? Why is he? Medium in penasem on penasem. A horn on penasem. Naana Donkor so say, open Naana Donkor, but in Tokano on pe side of Naana Donkor. What I say? Ain't no so on pe side of Naana Donkor. That means there's a reason to on pe Naana Donkor so side no. So there's definitely a reason to Naana Donkor so. Naana Donkor asset. So it goes hand in hand. Now, the question I to know be sawa.
Telling you previously say into no because me who personal no. Who you so like you look so good.
Thank you.
I'm telling you the camera and a young if you are no banner. It doesn't go with you.
It doesn't fit you.
It doesn't fit you. So that is one thing that
okay, so can I ask you something?
So is it based on a feedback and Naana Donkor a man and not to do? Naana Donkor be beside the question.
What?
Apart from Abu Kanzo, why are we moving to go back and forth?
Now, Ahano said, Naana Donkor when not to know the record or one of say been you name it or quadro do a walk bouts away really near the idea camp and come to me at least one. But it appears that Nimbe Brisa. Oh, it's a Naana Donkor who give feedback. So, when I won't pay and no, why na menina ko apart from a fierce was nigger. Naka wa liste.
Remember the way I love you and I said let's put every DMBA aside. Yes, no, what you say? You said Jamaican is.
Hey, what's the baby?
No, I know.
It was a Naana Donkor on penny herself. But
first of all, what does I want to myself? I have to be very careful.
No, I mean, I don't. I mean, this comment of yours is throwing me off. I mean,
come on. Well,
no,
this is the problem I have with some Africans. Exactly. I was being real with you.
I know.
I would have kept it for myself.
No, it's good.
Jamaica knows myself. They say, me who be a minimum, but now me feel what's right. What you say? But and well, woman say, oh yeah, no. I know it. I think I will take a jump to me home because they know how much me who video I'm makumaba.
It's me sure so be so who the video penana come sorry say I call video per conversation. So it's normal. You understand until they meet you and then ABI for the first 10 minutes. I've met people in real life. ABI only about say one bed 1 hour on kind of word. No, say but oh can be just in our casano. So it's like that. You understand? It's like that. Obiani senior obesi who is yafa.
Every single woman will pray dodo.
What's me pray?
Yes.
Me assure us I was all doing so pray dodo.
Wow.
Want to be can not to know na kwakọ.
See they can say pray and who pray same.
They women pray.
But what makes me say me
I
pray?
Obiani said you who be. Like I dey born you but say you who no and I make a child. You feel me? But and I said you who me oh yeah no. Mr. Joe make a Joe say woman no say internet system who is
What you say? It is in America no. Maybe a character a do say bia wo ye adwuma na se na obi say ye adwuma na sia fa no. E pema nipa na different perception but say nipa ni share out of that character. Obi say sister Ukraine say na oti o. Na is adwuma no emra. Oh, international to na do ati asese adwuma no mra e na edu so Naana Donkor ata. Yes bia obi fi say o pray. But o share the physical or man hard say no sin humility no. We won't say no sister in Tessa. And that's
I met her yesterday. Besides just one country now.
Wow. So home and brother.
But I love you now.
Let
me give you a kiss.
I think she should be happy about this. She shouldn't even have said, "Sabia, I want to take my hug back and what have you."
Wow.
Yeah.
It
you can end it.
It is okay. No, it is okay. I have me, but it's okay.
No,
at least you have told me.
No,
I'm very happy.
There are a lot of people among some people what somebody can tell you.
Yeah, that's true. That's very, very true.
There are a lot of people.
That's very, 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 very true.
People also people what some money be on people want to catch you. Sorry, we are saying.
Yeah.
One people be one man, million mile down for one catch me somewhere we catch on. You are human beings. Deep in your heart, you be like, hey. The second also failing. No matter what feelings are, but you should be happy to have your own things.
And that's true. Those are the best customers. Your best customers are in Kofono direct feedback, not in a disrespectful manner, but more honest with you. We are honest on disrespectful, but or kind of natural. That's why I don't joke with the comments. People in the comment section and what their reviews, I don't joke with them because those are honest feedbacks. You know disrespectful ones when you see them, and you know, excuse my language, ignorant ones when you see them. You understand? But there are some. Yeah, to also.
Right?
Oh yeah. But someone penny pa. I didn't have penny, but someone penny panasa. I am very strong one. But one thing I'm saying is I'm happy, sir. You feel that way about me, but when I saw you yesterday, the way I give you a hug and I'm so happy. I'm happy that I have proved you wrong.
That's it. Prove them wrong. That's the spirit.
Yes. I would never do
no,
that.
we have people like that.
Never. I was doing a live and Jessica, she came in and I picked her up.
Right. I've known Jessica for like 15 years. Now you're South or Ghana.
Yeah, so
now South and if but no it's not with 50 years. Now maybe I able to program now.
I think sir, we should just you don't have to like you just have to give love because
you just have to live
because it doesn't take anything from you. Right.
But you won't get that. That's a reality of life. What I say, a person will live life without having any negative feeling for anyone. But once I were in the public space in Kwadia when he said, and you pay na and pay ourselves, so fear the out some brand between you. But public space now, and you pay na the pay ourselves. So just understand that one.
That the way meaning that me how go no, and such it will abema wasre. And I said, I'm not going to say, now, yeah, no, so that's being so on my area, and also, yeah, if you're media personality, over whom we can. I don't know how you.
Yeah, I've been in the media for 15 years, so I know what I'm talking about. You'll be so over. Now, so I said, I'm going to be one more night home we can.
Wow.
And to whom for the second time I met you.
If you are on pay or mon pay wahala, what I said, it's a time I go school, you're fun enough to not do feeling any way, then I chill. And so you're down for the below my call if you want to.
Tornado
never loved me, but I'm happy that I proved him wrong. I love you very much because the way you.
You know one thing I like about you.
Hey.
So this is also another feedback.
Few seconds ago they never liked me. Now they like something about me. Okay.
Somebody. Now somebody also to be catching and say, "Open my son, but on pay me nyama be a mayor."
So if you go to
on your boat of a catching, but I know what he or she is trying to say because that is how he or she sees me.
So what you know, I say, on the Yamina Mitchell, watch you.
We should have do interview, Pa. I should have done this interview. And I'll be so happy.
One thing I'm saying is that.
What do you like about me?
Meaning say, my bad. Me, I just say that you are not so much educated, but me say, what's
and
that's true. And that's true. If you see the amount of effort Naana Donkor they put into the craft, I think in US krano ofi ni fie ko gina kwan ho twen sa akode work ameno you understand obi tie chobi fi say pray but sauti adwuma no sha sabe ubetu hu say opade nti so the opade so no ye ntena fa ko ngiade wo so otu ne to no otu anamo nti no kweye sa de no all these no indicate sampa on body homody bo bi tie be ka sa mamu e kura opre no sa akode e ba na wa fa ne bag ko gina kwa what I say. But to not say that side of it, you might say.
No, it's not like you're bad. I am not educated at all.
Okay.
And I don't have any issue. You telling me.
But what did I mean? Say, oh yeah, we are saying we are school. We do know wedding. And that's one thing I like about you. Keep on doing that. You have that energy. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
She's fighting, right?
Yeah.
School.
On this note, this is the entire video. I mean, this is the main context of the video. Say, and not to share no catch and say, oh, I didn't like you before. And so share now or hage no more kasai no who say, oh, we crossing and I'm see dream fan who is about Naana Donkor idea. The ben so I disappointed. It's a video number by that social media. So just some of will be now our comment section. Obi said that's his opinion and respect that. Obi said the guy is just being real, which I agree. I vehemently agree to this one that he's just being real. What is in the comments in there? Ebebre, na man for children wondering, meaning say also wondering Chebia, Odebeba. Obi say, NDA, do you like everyone? Allow, okay? Obi Bisano, also cry open, Obi asem, Obiana open asem. Allow, just allow. Obi say, Tornado is real. NDA is trying to win everybody's heart, and it's not like that in the world. You know, appreciate him, please. He's been real to you. Why? And it's true. You can't win everybody's heart in the world. You can't. If you try winning everybody's heart, you will destroy everybody's heart. You can't. We say Tornado is just sharing his opinion and being real. And I always say he's always real. I say this guy is the realest on social media life. Tell my people don't hide feelings. Sakwada they are saying coordinated they call Adakim. Or no if it my committee night. Tornadoes what my committee night street honor. I have got 24. Wait to me at Chawadre or comment section. Now I share video so I'm a fossil NEP Ashe. Magraheb.